Hey, you guys! It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Baggage. Yeah, I know. It's been a minute since I did one of these videos, but I had a wonderful supplier reach out to me and ask if I would accept a gift in exchange for a video. And they happen to have a bag that I have been searching for forever. Yes, I say forever because I have asked for this bag many, many times when I used to do a lot of the Sunday baggage videos. And I wanted a specific one because I noticed that a lot of the suppliers had a lot of variations of this bag, but I wanted one in particular, and this company actually had it. So I was super stoked that they were willing to bring this into my life, and here is the video for it, and I'm super excited, so let's jump into it. So I am talking about the Chanel 22 bag. This is a bag that was released in 2022 in kind of their fragrance line of Chanel number 22. This bag was first shown on their Ready to Wear runway show, and what made it different from other Chanel bags is this was their answer to kind of an everyday, youthful, kind of duffel style bag. Because as we know, Chanel is very kind of known for these very nice structured handbags, very classic handbags. But for me, they are something that is like more of a special occasion bag, like when you're going out somewhere fancy. And so I wanted something that was like a little bit more every day. In comes the Chanel 22 bag, which is kind of like an over-the-shoulder, slouchy, unstructured, more of like a day-to-day, ready-to-wear sport bag. I say sport bag, but we're talking Chanel, so take it as you will. But they do say that it can be used for gym goers and beach goers. But the way that they originally released this was in a supple leather material, and you could get it in an array of colors. But of course, the black and gold was the most popular. And throughout the seasons, they did release other materials such as tweed, and then in comes the one that I wanted, the denim. There are a few reasons why I wanted the denim bag because, one, when the original Chanel 22 was released and it was in the supple leather, a lot of people jumped on it because it was like a different look for Chanel. But what was happening was the way it's constructed with the kind of chain straps, when you pull it, because it's kind of like a duffel type, like cinching mechanism to close the bag. A lot of people were saying that the leather was actually starting to chafe where that chain was rubbing up against it constantly from you opening and closing it. If you search YouTube, there are a ton of videos on this problem. Like, people are just so super mad. They spend thousands of dollars on this bag and the leather is starting to chafe. So when they released the denim, I was like, this is the solve-all answer for the problems that people are having. Plus, it does give you kind of like a casual, more everyday and or weekend type look with it being denim. Now, a lot of denim patterns had been released through the seasons, but the one that I wanted specifically was their classic quilted look pattern with a fade down the middle. And this was the problem as I was having with the other suppliers, is no one had this one in stock in particular. In comes Hazel Luxury, reached out to me, asked if I would be interested. I went through their catalog and I saw that they had the other denim patterns. And so I emailed them and was like, do you happen to have this one? And I sent them a photo and they were like, let us check our stock. And they wrote me back and they said that they did. And here we are. So we're going to take a close-up look at this bag, and I'm going to give you all of the information in the description box. So if you are interested in learning more about this bag, you can click down in that little description box below. So here is the dust bag that it arrived in. Very nice cotton Chanel dust bag. It does have the drawstring at the top. Now, full disclosure, I have been using this bag for a few days now. I wanted to test it out before I did this video so that I could give any insights on how it wears or how it uses. So I do have some stuff in here. I took most of the bulky stuff out, but there is some stuff in here. So let's go ahead and open her up. Now, this is a slouchy design, so it is kind of just like in there. This it came with a styrofoam like square in it, so it was like boxed in its shape, but it is a slouchy bag. So let's go ahead and do the reveal. All right, here she is. She is a beauty. So here is what the bag looks like when it kind of arrives. Again, this is a very kind of slouchy, free-form duffel style bag with a drawstring top, but this is the pattern that I was looking for. It kind of mimics the classic Chanel quilted pattern. This bag also comes in like a multitude of sizes. There is a mini version, which is just like a little tiny square pouch. This is the medium version, which is what I was looking for to carry like my everyday things. And then they also have a large version, which actually doubles as a backpack. And that really did interest me, but it is rather large. And for every day, I don't need something that big. So let's just go through some of the beautiful details of this bag. So it is kind of a stone washed denim material. It goes all the way around. You even have the fade in the back. You have a very nice metal Chanel logo on the front. It is very kind of sturdy on there. There's no kind of corners coming up or anything like that. Staying with the classic Chanel chain, you do have like a denim strap in here that is enveloped in the silver chain. Then you do have the Chanel Paris charm that is rather large on the front strap. So what you're supposed to do is just take this and kind of pull it to like close it so you can carry it on your shoulder like this. But what I have found is I like to put this front one down and have the charm hang as I put this one on my shoulder. I find that that is a little bit more comfortable than the double chain, and it provides easy access to get inside the bag. Speaking of inside the bag, you do have a magnetic clasp right here at the top, which is branded. There are also two snaps on either side of the duffel opening. So if you wanted to, you could have this open. I'm sorry for all the clanking. So if you wanted to, you could have this like majorly open, however you want to use it. I have noticed that I have kept them kind of shut the entire time. It has plenty of room inside to get your hands in there and find what you're looking for. The inside does have the Chanel serial number tag here. There is a pocket, a zipper pocket, which I have open because I've been using it. Also the Chanel branded label. And this bag also comes with a clip-on second pouch, which is also done in the denim, and it has the very cute little silver CC right here. And then it is just another zipper pouch that you can hold. As you can see, I've got my lip glasses in there. But this is like a nice little thing to put your odds and ends in and just like throw in the bag. And there is a clasp on the inside that is attached, and it does not remove. So this stays on the bag, and then you can remove the pouch from this strap with this lobster claw clasp. I find this design just like super fun, super casual, but yet still having that like kind of designer experience. Overall, I am super pleased with this bag. Now, wearability, I am not used to something this large. I say large, but more I mean like unstructured. But I do actually kind of find that I like that about it. It gives it kind of like a breezy throw on your shoulder type bag. And it is like casual enough that you can wear it with like sweats and leggings, or you can like dress it up with like some leather pants and a jacket. It's kind of versatile in that way, and I really do like that about it. Like I said, the way I do like wearing it is with this front chain down. I just think it like gives it just a little bit more of like a casual slouchy appearance. And the chain with the charm on it, I like have it hanging because when I do have it on my shoulder, the charm kind of just gets caught up in the straps. So I do think that that's a really cute way of wearing it. And it's, you know, multifunctional. You can wear it either way you'd like, with both straps or just the one. My overall thoughts on this bag are I really do enjoy the look. I feel like this is perfect for fall or summer, spring because of the denim. You know, denim is just a universally, used material, and it can go with almost anything. Don't know if I'd wear like a full denim outfit and have this bag, but it is just a nice touch to kind of like bring down something or class up something because it is a designer bag. Again, if you guys are interested in learning more about this bag, I will have all the links to Hazel Luxury and the bag itself in the description box below. I also have a small discount code in that box as well in case you are interested. But that's all I have for you today, guys. Let me know how you felt about this particular Chanel bag and if you liked the idea of like having a denim material versus a traditional leather, which most designer bags come in. Also, I will link my Sunday baggage playlist in the description box below, as well as my Gates Find playlist. I am trying to work on the designer accessories under a certain dollar amount for the holiday season, so hopefully that will all come together. If you could click subscribe to not miss out on that stuff. I don't do bag content all of the time, but here and there it comes and goes, you know, whenever I have the opportunity. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below, kind of what I asked you before. Did you like the bag? Do you like the idea of the denim? Do you want to see a Gate accessories video? Let me know. That would be awesome. And if you can subscribe so you can follow all these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.
Sorry ass DJ.